Hello and welcome to our channel, Discover the Power of Health. Today we're going to talk about 10 incredible fruits that can help maintain healthy hair. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to help us continue bringing quality content like this. The first fruit we want to highlight is the orange. The vitamin C present in oranges is essential for the production of collagen, which strengthens hair. Additionally, oranges are rich in antioxidants that help prevent damage caused by free radicals. The second fruit we recommend is the apple. Apples contain a large amount of polyphenols, which help prevent hair loss. Additionally, apples are also rich in B-complex vitamins, which help keep hair healthy and shiny. The third fruit on our list is avocado. Rich in essential oils and vitamins A, D, and E, avocado helps strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Avocado oil can also be used as a natural conditioner, leaving hair soft and shiny. The fourth fruit on our list is a banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn helps prevent hair loss. Bananas are also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which help strengthen hair. The fifth fruit on our list is grape. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, an antioxidant that helps prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth. Additionally, grapes also contain vitamin C and iron, which help keep hair healthy and strong. The sixth fruit on our list is lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help prevent hair damage. Lemon juice can also be used as a natural rinse, helping to remove excess oil from hair. The seventh fruit on our list is strawberry. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth. Additionally, strawberries also contain ellagic acid, which helps protect hair from UV rays. The eighth fruit on our list is mango. Mango is rich in vitamins A and C, which help keep hair hydrated and healthy. Additionally, mango also contains beta-carotene, which helps strengthen hair. The ninth fruit on our list is kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen hair and prevent hair loss. Additionally, kiwi also contains folic acid, which helps keep hair healthy and shiny. Lastly, the 10th fruit on our list is watermelon. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect hair from damage caused by UV rays. Additionally, watermelon also contains vitamins A and C, which help keep hair healthy. So, did you like our list? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comment and suggestion for the next video. And also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are also looking for healthier and more beautiful hair. Thank you for watching, and until next time.